So I'm going to give you a backwards room tour, meaning I'm going to start at the back of the room of the Cove Billy Graham Training Center. So this is the second floor room. You actually check in on the third floor, and this is the Shepherd's Inn, and you come in and you can see the front door over there. So there's a table with 2 chairs, and then this corner has the rocking chair and artwork. I don't know if these are 2 queen or double beds, honestly, but we've got the woodwork mimicking the outdoors, dresser and mirror. I understand this is a retreat center, but really, no TV? That would be a retreat for me. It's okay. Decision Magazine. Reverend Graham recently passed away as of the filming of this. And then we move forward, you see the front door there, and there is a sink and mirror area, which I'm thankful for because the bathroom is not super well lit, but you've got a little closet here, and then another sink and mirror, and then the shower, and everything is really more modern than I would have expected, thankfully, and toilet area. So there you have it. Billy Graham's Training Center, the Cove, Shepherd's Inn room. Ta-da!